So religion and spirituality, these two tend to get conflated a lot. So if somebody is religiously agnostic or even an atheist, they automatically tend to shy away from everything to do with spirituality. So I think it would be a great starting point if you could please demystify these two terms for our viewers.
Firstly, the fundamental question you're asking is, what is the difference between spirituality and religion? In fact, if you closely look at it, spirituality and religion are one and the same. I don't see any difference between being spiritual or being religious, because in essence they both are saying the same thing. But when you try and understand the fundamental difference, spirituality is a path or means to attain that spiritual state of godlyhood, attain that state of spiritual perfection. So spirituality finds its foundation, its base on the Vedantic wisdom, which is also known as Sanatana Dharma. So Sanatana Dharma means the eternal principles which govern human life, So Sanatana Dharma is the foundation which gives the path to attaining godhood, which is spirituality. And every great thinker of different times in history in yore have contributed to this wisdom, to this ocean of knowledge, ocean of wisdom. So no individual can claim it, no master or messiah can say it is mine, no country or clan or clique can say it is mine. It is universal truths known to mankind. So that is spirituality. But religion is an opinion of a great messiah or a master or a guru. Right. It is an opinion of a man of realization, no doubt. They were men of realization, and they gave their experience at some point of time in history. And those opinions of great men ended up becoming isms. So the various isms, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, etc. So many isms. So these many isms or these religions are opinions of great masters. They also speak about the same truth, of the same attainment of godhood, but it revolved around a personality. But Sanatana Dharma, spirituality, it doesn't base on one particular person. So if I were to say each religion is like a river flowing, and all these rivers will ultimately culminate and merge with that vast expanse of water which is the ocean. Ocean has no birth or no death. Ocean has no identity. In fact, all these rivers that merge into the ocean loses their individuality, isn't it? So there is no more the Ganges or the Brahmaputra or the Amazon. They all become the one vast sheet of water. So spirituality is like that vast sheet of knowledge or wisdom. Religion are individual rivers which are opinions of gurus or masters, but in essence, spirituality and religion are talking one and the same thing. So one who gets to the essence of it will find there is no need to differentiate myself from those who practice other religions, because in essence, the truth in all religions are one and the same.
It's just the interpretation by different individuals.
It is just the interpretation, it is just different perceptions, but it's the same thing.
Yeah. That's a great analogy also. Thank you.
Right.